Hi folks, it's John from lastchanceautorestore.com. I'd like to share with you a vehicle that came in a few days ago. This is a 1986 GMC C10 truck. Pretty rare truck. I know there's lots of them in the US. There's fewer of these square body, short bed, two-wheel drive trucks here in Ontario, Canada. So this was our client's father's truck originally, and he was doing quite a bit of work on it at home. He bought a new front rad support, new front fenders. They were trying to use the original doors, and they were struggling with trying to align the panels. So it's been here for a few days, and our guys basically did quite a bit of work on it. So now we have the rad support fitting the way it should. We've got new aftermarket, they're a premium quality aftermarket inner fender. So they were able to bolt the inner fenders to the front rad support and to the firewall. Once they had that lined up, then they were able to bolt on the fenders and get them to be adjusted the way they should be in terms of location. And then they installed the doors. So these are all aftermarket panels. Most times the aftermarket panels don't fit very well, and it needs a lot of shimming and a lot of work. Sometimes you have to ream the holes out, and so it can be very frustrating. A lot of people struggle with the fitment. So the guys did quite a nice job on lining everything up. So we've got these are aftermarket doors. They're a premium aftermarket door. They're not your basic door. It's a full door shell, not just a skin. So we've got them fitting really well. The fenders are fitting well. These are a cheaper fender that the customer purchased. These are a little bit better door. And I don't know if it'll come up in the camera, but some of the stamping, when they stamp like this fender, you can see the seam, but then it has a little bit wider gap on the edge and then it narrows up. So this is in the stamping or the manufacturing of the actual fender. The better fenders aren't quite as bad, but they still do have a concern. So this will be able to repair when the guys are doing the actual body work on it. But we've got everything in terms of mock-up quite close now. So it's an aftermarket hood. It's a better hood. So now they've got that all lined up nice. The gap is a little bit wider here, which they'll adjust, because once we have everything fitted like it is here, then the truck's going to be disassembled again, because now we know exactly how everything is lined up on it. And then everything will come off, and then we'll be taking the cab off the frame. We'll be sandblasting the frame, getting rid of all the lacquered paint and doing it nice. So same thing here. We got a nice door, a little bit cheaper fender, but we're able to work this out. You're probably not going to see it in the video very well, but we have everything lined up where the guys have done a really nice job lining the fender to the door to the cab, and to the rocker panel. So everything fits quite well. The client did some work on the cab corner. The cab corner is actually in the wrong position. It's pulled in a little bit. It's not welded solid in the back. He was just trying to fit it in. So we'll rework this cab corner correctly to match the body. And then the truck bed, it was crooked and down, so we got it all shimmed the way it should be. So we'll just come down this way with the camera, and they can see if you follow the line. So on these square body trucks, it's quite a dominant seam that goes down the truck bed, the cab, all the way down. And I think you can probably see it in the camera. That line is very, very nice now, where none of them lined up before. They were all off quite a bit. In the back of this GMC truck, you can see we've got an aftermarket tailgate on it, and the guys have done a phenomenal job getting this to fit properly. It was sticking out quite a bit and dropped. And then same thing on this side. The fit wasn't very close compared to the original bed sides. So they've got that really close now. We've got all new aftermarket hardware and hinges. They've got the rubber bumperettes. So we have the tailgate in the position it should be. And then somebody previously did some work on the truck bed. There's quite a bit of waves, and you see a lot of swirl marks and orange peel on the paint. So we'll be redoing this when we go to redo the truck. But really rare truck in this area. I'm not sure in other parts of the world, but it's a square body 1986 GMC Short Bed two-wheel drive truck. And what we'll do shortly is we'll share with you, once we have the truck apart and the cab off, it'll look totally different. The frame has been done, it was powder coated, sandblasted and powder coated. A lot of the suspension parts have already been powder coated too, and we'll share that with you in upcoming videos. So this is the 1986 GMC truck. I thank you for watching. I'm John from lastchanceautorestore.com. lastchanceautorestore.com.